Hi everyone, back with Bassingtons. I hope you're all keeping well. I hope you're all staying safe. A friend of mine bought a gun yesterday, a fabulous new gun. And I said to him, why don't you come over to see me? And why don't I do an unboxing? And we put a vlog out on Bassingtons. And he thought it was a great idea. So that's what we're going to do today. And without further ado, we shall unbox the gun. And here it is. As you can tell, it is a Krieghoff. And I have to say, the Krieghoff casing is absolutely superb. It's an ABS case, but it is leather trimmed and has a trip lock system on it. And without further ado, we shall unbox. And it is the K-80 Parcours with 32-inch barrels. This is the Vienna Scroll version, and it has a category 4 wood on it. The wood is actually more like a category 5 or category 6. It's just that I've always said Krieghoff build their guns with that little bit better material. Perhaps not the best looking gun aesthetically. I mean, I always say that the Germans aren't the best at styling. You know, that's not why we buy German. We buy German because they are wonderfully engineered products, and the Krieghoff is a fantastically engineered product. It is very durable and very, very reliable. My friend Steve bought this gun secondhand. It's had about 5,000 rounds through, which is absolutely nothing. Krieghoff's designed to take well in excess of 1 million rounds, and I have to say this gun was worth every single penny. Stay safe and stay tuned.